Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast.
We're happy you're here today.
Today's topic is very exciting.
That's right.
We're talking about airports.
And traveling by plane.
Do you enjoy flying?
Yes, I do.
Really?
I love traveling.
Me too.
Visiting new places is exciting.
Absolutely.
But airports can be stressful.
Especially for English learners.
That's true.
Today, we'll learn useful airport English.
And practice real conversations.
Let's begin our journey.
Sounds great.
Imagine you're going on vacation.
Nice.
You arrive at the airport.
The airport is very busy.
People are everywhere.
Some are arriving.
Some are leaving.
Everyone seems busy.
First, what do you need?
My passport.
Very important.
And my ticket.
Excellent.
I always check my passport many times.
Me too.
I get nervous before flights.
That's normal.
What do we do first?
We go to the check-in counter.
A very useful phrase.
Check-in counter.
That's where you get your boarding pass.
Exactly.
Let's practice a conversation.
Good morning.
Good morning.
May I see your passport, please?
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, one suitcase.
Perfect.
That's a common airport question.
Very common.
What is luggage?
Bags and suitcases.
Good word to know.
The employee checks your information.
Then gives you a boarding pass.
Another important word.
Boarding pass.
You need it before getting on the plane.
Don't lose it.
Good advice.
Have you ever almost missed a flight?
Once,
Really?
I arrived late.
That's scary.
Very scary.
What happened?
I ran through the airport.
Did you make it?
Yes,
That's lucky.
I was the last passenger. Everyone was already seated.
I would be embarrassed.
I was.
Airports always create funny stories.
They really do.
What happens after check-in?
Security.
Ah, yes.
Sometimes people feel nervous there.
Especially first-time travelers.
That's true.
But usually everything is fine.
Exactly.
Before we finish part 1, let's ask our listeners something. Have you ever traveled by plane?
Where did you go?
Did you enjoy the trip?
Tell us in the comments.
We'd love to hear your stories.
In part 2,
We'll go through security,
find our gate.
board the plane, learn airport vocabulary, and hear some funny travel stories. See you in part 2. See you there.
Welcome back, everyone.
We're happy you're still traveling with us today.
In part 1, we checked in and got our boarding pass.
Now it's time for security.
Are you ready?
I think so.
Security can make some people nervous.
Especially first-time travelers.
That's true.
But usually it's very simple.
Let's imagine we're at the security checkpoint.
Okay,
Please place your bag on the belt.
of course.
Do you have any liquids?
Just a small bottle of water.
Please put it in the tray.
No problem.
Do you have a laptop?
Yes, I do.
Please remove it from your bag.
Okay.
Then you walk through the scanner.
Beep.
Uh-oh,
What happened?
I forgot my keys in my pocket.
That happens all the time.
It really does.
Have you ever forgotten something at security?
Yes,
What was it?
my watch.
Did you get it back?
Luckily, yes.
That's good.
After security, what do? We look for our gate. Another important airport word.
Gate.
The place where you board the plane.
Exactly. Airports can be very large. Sometimes finding the gate takes time.
Very true.
Let's practice asking for directions.
Excuse me,
Yes?
where is gate 15?
Go straight and turn left.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's a useful conversation.
Very useful.
Now we're waiting for our flight.
Waiting is a big part of traveling.
It certainly is.
What do you usually do while waiting?
I look at the shops.
Nice.
Sometimes I buy snacks.
Airport snacks are expensive.
Very expensive.
What about coffee?
I almost always buy coffee.
Me too.
Then I sit near the gate.
And watch people.
Exactly.
Airports are interesting places.
People from all over the world.
Different languages.
Different cultures.
Different destinations.
Suddenly, an announcement begins.
Attention passengers.
Flight 302 to London is now boarding.
That's us.
Time to board.
Let's go.
The airline employee checks your boarding pass.
Then you walk toward the airplane.
Do you enjoy that moment?
Yes,
Why?
because the adventure is about to begin.
I like that answer.
Thank you.
Let's learn some airport vocabulary.
Great idea.
Security.
The area where bags and passengers are checked.
Gate.
The place where passengers board the airplane.
Boarding pass.
A document that allows you to enter the plane.
Departure.
When a flight leaves.
Arrival.
When a flight reaches its destination.
Excellent.
Very useful words.
Emma, what's the funniest thing you've seen at an airport?
Oh, I have a good story.
Let's hear it.
One man was running very fast.
Was he late?
Everyone thought so.
And?
He was actually running to buy a sandwich. He came back smiling with a huge sandwich.
That's amazing.
Everyone laughed.
Airports create funny memories.
They really do.
Before we finish part 2,
Let's ask our listeners a question. What do you usually do while waiting at the airport?
do you read?
Listen to music?
Drink coffee?
Tell us in the comments.
We'd love to know. In part 3, we'll learn airport vocabulary,
Practice grammar
improve pronunciation.
and finish today's travel adventure.
See you in part 3.
See you there.
Welcome back, everyone. We're happy you're here for the final part of today's podcast. Today we've been talking about airports and traveling. A very useful topic for English learners. Absolutely. Let's review some important airport vocabulary. Great idea. Word number 1. Passport. A document used for international travel. Example sentence. Don't forget your passport. Very important. Word number 2. Boarding pass. A document that allows you to board the plane. Example sentence. Please show your boarding pass. Excellent. Word number 3. Gate. The place where passengers enter the airplane. Example sentence. Our flight leaves from gate 12. Great. Word number 4. Luggage. Bags and suitcases used for travel. Example sentence. My luggage is very heavy. Nice. Word number 5. Departure. When a plane leaves the airport. Example sentence. Our departure is at 8 p.m. Excellent. Now let's learn some useful airport expressions. Expression number 1. Where is my gate? Very useful. Expression number 2. May I see your passport? Common at check-in. Expression number 3. Where can I check in? Excellent. Expression number 4. Is this seat taken? Useful on the plane. Expression number 5. What time does the flight depart? Great question. Let's practice some grammar. Today's grammar point is going to. We use it for future plans. Example. I am going to travel tomorrow. Another example. We are going to fly to Paris.
She is going to visit her family.
Very good.
Now let's practice pronunciation.
Repeat after us.
Passport,
Passport.
boarding pass,
Boarding pass.
luggage,
Luggage.
departure,
Departure.
arrival.
Arrival.
Fantastic!
Emma, what's your favorite thing about traveling?
Discovering new places.
Nice answer.
What about you?
Trying new food. It's true.
What's the strangest food you've tried?
I'm not sure I can say it on this podcast. Let's just say it was unforgettable.
That's a good answer.
Have you ever lost your luggage?
Fortunately, no.
Me neither.
But I've worried about it many times.
Same here.
Every traveler understands that feeling.
Very true.
Before we finish today's episode,
Let's ask our listeners a few questions.
have you ever traveled by plane?
Which country would you like to visit?
What's your dream destination?
Tell us in the comments.
We'd love to hear your answers.
And if you enjoyed today's podcast, please like this video, subscribe to the channel,
And share it with your friends.
more easy English conversations are coming soon.
With more useful real-life topics.
More vocabulary, more grammar, more listening practice.
And more fun conversations.
Thank you for joining us today.
We hope you learned something useful.
Keep practicing English every day.
Even 10 minutes a day can help.
Little by little, you'll improve. We believe in you. Thanks for listening.
Safe travels.
Have a wonderful day.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
See you soon. And remember, keep learning, keep traveling, and keep speaking English. Goodbye, everyone.